Do you want to upload files and folders to Google Drive? First, open any browser and search for Google Drive. When the interface appears, simply open the first website you see and connect your Gmail account. After that, close the tab. Then, open a new tab and you'll see the Google Apps icon. Simply click on it, and at the bottom, you'll find the Google Drive option. Open it, and your account will be created. Now, to upload files, you'll see a new option on the left side. Click on it, and you'll see many options like File Upload, Folder Upload, etc. To upload a file, just click on File Upload, select the file from your PC or laptop, and click on Open. Your file will be uploaded to your drive, and you can see that it has been successfully uploaded. Similarly, to upload a folder, just go to Upload Folder, select the folder from your laptop or PC, and click on Open. Your folder will also be uploaded. This is how you can take advantage of Google Drive. You can also share this drive with your boss or friends. If you want a video on how to share files, leave a comment and like this video. We'll make one for you. For more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.